It all depends on you and what your own personal goals are. I would say don't look a gift horse in the mouth. If you have found a product that works really, really well on a marketplace, then sell it. Sell that product and go for your life, make all the money possible from that particular marketplace. And if it transpires that that product doesn't scale to any other marketplaces, doesn't matter, no dramas at all, find something that will sell in those marketplaces and just do that. For me, it's got no difference at all. So let me think of something. So Vegemite, for instance, uniquely Australian product. Not many other countries in the world are eating Vegemite. And so you can still make, as Dick Smith has found, a lot of money selling Vegemite in Australia, but it doesn't suit other marketplaces, and that's cool. In South Korea, couple pajamas, so pajamas that are exactly the same with a picture of the other person on them, are huge. They're every freaking where. But that's not a product that would scale really, really well into Australia, for instance. You couldn't imagine couples wearing gym jams, wearing same sort of gym jammies, you know what I mean? It's just not an Australian thing. But in South Korea, you can sell them all day long. It's that sort of thing. In Portugal as well, there's heaps of products that are uniquely Portuguese that I haven't seen anywhere else. And that's because of the unique way that some Portuguese people do things. You know, they don't scale out, but you can make a lot of money selling them. So I would say go for it. Look at the single market you're going after and base your decisions on that single market. If it then transpires that you can scale that product out to other marketplaces, great, that's all good. But don't let that be the guiding factor, the scalability of a product. Look at the amount of money you can make in that specific marketplace. That's the best way of doing it. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.